Blockchain technology has taken the world by storm, but what exactly is it? In this video, we're going to demystify blockchain and show you why it's changing the way we think about digital transactions. Imagine a digital ledger, a chain of blocks that records every transaction across a vast network of computers. That's the essence of blockchain. But what sets it apart is its decentralization. Unlike traditional systems with a central authority, blockchain operates on a peer-to-peer network. Everyone in the network has a copy of the entire blockchain, ensuring transparency and security. Now, let's dive deeper into how blockchain works. Each block in the chain contains a set of transactions. Once a block is filled with transactions, it's sealed and linked to the previous block, creating a chronological chain. This linking is what makes it virtually impossible to alter past transactions without altering every subsequent block, which would require the consensus of the majority of the network, a near impenetrable security feature. But what about those complex mathematical puzzles you've heard of? These puzzles, known as proof of work, are solved by miners in the network. Miners compete to solve these puzzles, and the first one to do so gets to add the next block to the chain. It's a brilliant way to ensure that transactions are secure and trustworthy. Now, let's talk about the practical applications of blockchain. It's not just about cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Blockchain has the potential to revolutionize industries. For instance, in supply chain management, it can provide an immutable record of every product's journey from manufacturer to consumer, ensuring authenticity and reducing fraud. In healthcare, blockchain can securely store patient records, allowing for seamless and secure sharing of medical information among healthcare providers, ultimately improving patient care. Smart contracts, another innovation of blockchain, are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement written into code. They automatically execute and enforce the terms when conditions are met, eliminating the need for intermediaries in various industries like real estate and law. Now, you might wonder about energy consumption and scalability. While blockchain has its challenges, ongoing developments like proof of stake and layer 2 scaling solutions aim to make it more efficient and scalable. In conclusion, blockchain technology is more than just a buzzword. It's a game changer, providing secure, transparent, and decentralized solutions to a wide range of industries. As it continues to evolve, the possibilities are limitless. So, keep an eye on blockchain, because it's here to stay, shaping the future of digital transactions and beyond. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of blockchain technology. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the world of innovation and digital transformation.